back with another fun video of me talking. So this has really been so fun for me, and I'm hoping that you're enjoying this. So I'm debuting my first series here on YouTube, and it is called Spirituality Made Simple with Brittany Rose Wellness. I truly love making things more simple for people and bridging the gap. I do that a lot with yoga by just being the bridge for someone to try it. And now I'm furthering that light or activatorness by helping people start their spiritual journey. Just some of the things that my own spiritual journey has helped me with. It's helped me with self-awareness, emotional maturity. I mean, it's helped with my anxiety, my depression, my self-esteem, my self-worth. Like, I can keep going on and on. So I used to be a weight loss coach and a self-love coach, and what I've seen and see still, so many women feel disconnected from themselves, that they don't know how to love themselves to that healthy weight, or they feel like they must change themselves to be loved. And I'm here to say, Queen, you don't have to do that, and that you can start your spiritual journey and fall in love with yourself today, right? You know, we don't need to change who we are. It's a lot more of changing our perspective. And so I just wanted to start with this cute, simple little series to like bridge way you into spirituality. And I'll start with my first tip here, or topic. And what is spirituality? It's kind of like a very big word. Spirituality can mean a lot of things, but in the context of how I use it and what I think of it to be, it's a deeper connection to a higher source, also your highest self. So it's just like pretty much faith. Like, if you're religious and you believe in God or your higher power, you are spiritual, you're just religious in what you believe in. So when you believe that there's that higher power, from it's the universe, God, it's all of them. When you believe in that and you trust that, it creates a beautiful spiritual relationship with yourself, because you move away from fear, you move away from not loving yourself, because you know you're always supported. And like I said, some of those benefits are it lowers anxiety and depression, it raises confidence, it instills deep self-love, all the areas of your life are improved, and like I said, that emotional stability is like something else, because prior to starting my spiritual journey, I always felt kind of trapped to my emotions, the highs and the lows, and a lot of it was hormonal. Obviously, as women, we have hormonal cycles every month, but when you start your spiritual journey, it brings you such a profound self-awareness that it feels so good to be able to be like, I'm feeling kind of stressed today. Oh yeah, my moon is coming in a week. That's how I know, because I kind of get PMDD before. And if it wasn't for me starting my spiritual journey and being aware of my emotions, I would have never known. I just would have kept thinking I'm crazy. So, like I said, your spiritual connection is like a relationship with yourself. And things flourish when you take care of yourself first. And so some of the mainstream modalities to get into spirituality are yoga, meditation, Reiki, and the chakras, and really anything that just makes you feel high vibes. So some of my favorites are dancing, just playing, like being creative and painting. If you can see my dream catcher here, I don't think you can see it all the way, but I love painting. And lately I've been connected with the angels, so that's a fun thing too. Like, the realm of spirituality is very vast, and that's why I totally suggest you to watch my video on how to start your spiritual journey, because it's a little bit like jumping into the deep end if you're not sure what you're choosing or what you're working with. So watch that video, and then you might have more insight on where you want to start with your spiritual journey, whether it is meditating, yoga, the chakras, because it can be a lot. And if you're like not in the right headspace, I never want someone to feel like they're failing because they're not doing it a certain way, right? Because a lot of things are on social media and on YouTube, etc. We all want our practice to look like other people's, but that's where our spiritual connection comes into ourselves. Our journeys will never look like someone else's. So, yeah, so that's pretty much it. I just wanted to make a quick video on what is spirituality, some of the mainstream modalities, and the benefits. So my spiritual journey started with yoga. I was going through a super stressful time. I had an immediate move I was not expecting, and I was also a fitness instructor at the time. I had lost 70 pounds, and this is why where I fell in love with self-love and spirituality is that I saw that I was eating clean, I was working out, taking care of my house, but I wasn't taking care of my mind, and that showed immensely in the emotions I was carrying. And so if I can help another woman kind of wake up from that daze, or that not feeling good enough, or feeling like life is just another day, there's no time for you, if I can help you feel better about that, then I'm truly living in my dharma, and I'm grateful to be able to do so. So I hope that these videos help you do that. I hope my videos help you wake up that divine feminine goddess in you, to have you say, you know what, my self-care does matter, right? And it does. So, and that's what I feel like, and I'll end with this, your spirituality is your self-care and your self-love. And it's like checking in with yourself, like, hey self, how am I doing today? And actually caring, because when your body goes ignored for so long, when you're ready to make those changes, it's not going to budge. So, if you've been wanting to lose weight, but you've been abusing your body with food, alcohol, or other things, now when you're finally ready in your mind, and your body's like not having it because it doesn't believe you're ready, and it doesn't believe you actually love yourself. So if there's nothing else, just please start your spiritual journey just to be a happier person, to share the love with the rest of us. Because when you're operating from that spiritual self-love state, it's magic. And I want to feel your magic too. So start your spiritual journey, friend. And so keep coming back. This is just the first one of the Spirituality Made Simple series. Please comment 3 sun emojis and let me know what you liked about the video. And please like, share, and subscribe to let YouTube know that you like my videos. Also, if you are interested in starting your spiritual journey, I invite you to check out my online course, Activate Your Divine Light, where it helps you start and prepare yourself for your spiritual journey in a nice 8-week, like I said, self-paced course. And I just would love for you to join. You can join the group. Also, come join me on Facebook at Happy Healing Cove, where I'm starting to do something fun. We're going to be having a Goddess of the Month, and also there will be a full moon sister circle coming up. So I hope you can come and enjoy that with us. That's the Happy Healing Cove on Facebook. Happy Healing Cove for busy women. Happy Healing Cove, Spirituality for Busy Women. That's the group name. But yeah, so I do readings there. I'm an intuitive reader. If you'd like your own reading, you can hit me up in the email below. And yeah, so I really hope that you'll like this series. I have so much fun planned for us. Keep your eye open, and I'll see you in the next video.